It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, sync external memory control, Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Take it for a test drive today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.